Namaste. Many of us experience pain in our knees. Long working hours sitting on our desk basically weaken our thigh muscles and that brings undue pressure in our joints. So let's learn a few simple exercises to strengthen these muscles and protect our knee joints. One of the effective exercises to strengthen the thigh muscles is like this. So you fold in one leg, then take this leg like this, and then inhale and extend it, exhale and bring it close to yourself. Take care that on the inhalation, I'm allowing my thigh to move away from myself, stretching my leg, and then exhaling, relaxing, and bringing it close to the abdomen. So continue like this with like 8 to 10 rounds of this thing also you can do, and you will feel that there is stretch as well as strengthening that happens in your quads and your thigh muscles with this exercise. Then change your side and then have a look on this side as well. So on the inhale, you'll stretch that leg. On the exhale, bring it close, squeeze it into your abdomen. Inhale and stretch. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale and stretch. Exhale, bring it in. And then relax. After you've done this, just to relax the muscles around over here, relax your lower back as well. Take your hands, hold one wrist with the other hand, and squeeze it in towards yourself. Let your lower back relax and stay here for a few breaths. To relax it the other way around as well, change your legs, change your hands, and then squeeze it in towards yourself and relax over here. One more tip for the yoga practice is that often in yoga we want to sit in Vajrasana. But sometimes if our hip joints are not that open, then there is undue pressure as well as some pinching pain which might come in your knees when you're trying to sit in this Vajrasana. So basically take care that you have enough cushion, you have a thick yoga mat which you're using so that there is no pressure coming into your knees. And while doing your yoga exercises itself, you don't land up hurting your knees and you protect yourself even when you're sitting in such postures. So to further work on your thigh muscles and protect your knees, as we were talking, I'll show you a simple exercise for which you need something to place your leg on. So you can place your leg on this one. If you're more flexible, then you can even place your front leg on something which is higher, take it higher, place it on something higher, and then do this exercise. Now the front leg remains straight, and then you bend this one and stretch it. Inhale and bend, exhale and stretch. Inhale and bend, exhale and stretch. Again, try and do many rounds of these exercises so that you land up strengthening and working the muscles like well enough. So you can do 8 to 10 rounds of it and even extend that. One correction which is there is that take care into this detail that your leg, this leg on which we are standing, is not pointing out like this. It's not going out. Your toes are not going out. But you actually build the strength if the toes are facing straight and your thighs are rolled in. Face them straight and then go down and come up. And go down and come up. And then take it on the other side as well. Inhale and go down, exhale up. Inhale, go down, exhale up, and keep practicing like this. So if you enjoyed this video, click on the like button below. To watch more of such videos, do subscribe to the channel. And if you have any comments or thoughts, do write in the comment section below.